Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aki. Today is the new lesson, Icelandic. This time it's Prologue. At first, what kind of language is Icelandic? Icelandic, spoken in Iceland, is recognized as a minor and difficult language, so it's important to learn useful words. For example, takk fyrir, which means thank you. Golden dag, which means good morning. Bless, which means goodbye. Golden note, which means good night. Yao, which means yes. Scout, which means cheers. Nay, which means no. These words are easy and useful, so let's learn these at first. Next, Icelandic alphabet. The Icelandic alphabet had 32 letters. The pronunciation is
A, O, Y, D, E, J, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, O, V, X, Y, Y, V, I,
sorry, the is omitted. Unlike English, there are no C, Q, W, and Z, so let's look in detail. First, F, TH pronunciation like they in English, so the, yeah. The next, how. Only when H and V are consecutive, the K pronunciation becomes Q. For example, quat, which means what. Hver, which means who. Hvenær, which means when. Next, yao. Pronunciation is like Y. So, for example, yo. And next, L. If there is only one, it is the same as the L pronunciation in English. But when two L are overlapped, it has a unique pronunciation, like the tongue ringing in the back of the mouth. So, for example, Jökull, which means glacier. Next, R. It's curly tongue. So, for example, borda, which means eat, borda. Next, thu. It's similar to P in English, but it is a fricative sound like the TH pronunciation when pronouncing the English thing. So, for example, thakka, which means thank, thakka. Next, I. It sounds like I. So, for example, hi, which means hi. Next, o, These pronounces like it's o, u. O, are difficult to pronounce, so please listen many times and practice pronouncing. Next, ow. Ow pronunciation is like ow. Yeah. Next, yeah. Pronunciation is like yeah. E pronunciation is same as E, so it's same. Next, pronunciation is like E. Pronunciation is like E. E. So the other letters are same as English, but it's between vowels and at the end of words indicate this sound like ba, ba. So it's careful. Yes, thank you for watching time. See you later.